Hello everyone, welcome to a quick video on how to replace the picnic table attachment here on the rear of, in this case, the passenger side seat on a Nissan Note. Same applies to the driver's side, so when you lift it up it should hold up like this, but in this case it's broken because that middle bit, common fault, it breaks. So it's very simple. There are 4 screws holding it in. 1, 2, 3, and then 4 there. And it's a Torx 25 or T25 bit, star bit. If you don't know what that is, it's one of these thingamajigs. So you just need to get a hold of that. Here's my replacement. So as you can see, that one's not broken. This is what helps it to stay like that. So I'll show you how it's done. It's literally like a 2-minute job. So it's a case of just unscrewing these 4 bolts and this just comes off, and I'll show you the result of that. So let me just unscrew this. So a couple of minutes later I've got them off. There it is there, and it's literally, as you can see, you have to try really hard to get this wrong. They've already got metal plates behind the seat, and you can see the pre-drilled holes all there. You can't really go wrong on this one. Nice and easy job. So it's a case of just putting this replacement, lining it up, and screwing it back on. So I'll just do that right now. Sorry, I should add, if you're wondering why there's 2 holes, so you got the top one there with, if you can see the grooves for the screw, and the bottom hole, there's a guiding holder there. So that's all that's for. So even more helpful to get it in and align it correctly. So it makes it even more easier. So nice design. So what I've done first is I've literally hand tightened these just to align them, and then I've used the screwdriver to then do the final tightening. So let me just do this bit, show you. I'm sure some of you want to see me tighten the screwdriver, so the screws, sorry, nearly there. So with these, bear in mind that these are very brittle plastics, so when you are doing this, don't over tighten it because those plastics will crack. And what you should do is, if you haven't got a Torx screw, all you do is just, as soon as you feel a bit of resistance, stop and just do like a quarter turn, and then that's sufficient. So I feel a bit of resistance now, quarter turn, done. I'm just going to double check these, done. These are especially brittle, these center ones, so don't over tighten these. There we go. So job's done. Fingers crossed it works. Here we go. Yes, there you go. Lovely jubbly. Hope that helped everyone. Do like and subscribe, and see you soon. Bye bye.